This works in 10 seconds or less. Try it. Welcome back to another exciting video. I'm Philomena, and I am thrilled that you've joined me today to embark on a manifestation journey. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a remarkably simple yet profoundly powerful technique. It is known as the sticky note technique. By embracing this method, you can effortlessly shift your focus and manifest all your deepest desires. Let me explain how this technique works. Before you go to bed tonight, take a moment to write down on a sticky note what you want to happen the next day. Be as specific as possible, whether it's unleashing an abundance of good luck, embracing success, or know this is the day you will embrace your soulmate with love. Then, place the sticky note on your bedside table. This reminder is the first thing you'll see as the sun rises. Instantly, your attention will be redirected towards what you truly desire. Put the sticky note on your bathroom mirror as you prepare for the day. Every time you see it, take a few precious seconds to immerse yourself in the visualization of your intended outcome. Feel it in every fiber of your being, both in mind and body. By the time you step out of your house, you'll be radiating positive energy and eager anticipation. You'll naturally attract and manifest the things you desire, like a magnet to good energy. This technique may seem deceptively simple, but it has the potential to revolutionize your life. Give it a try and witness its profound impact on your reality. To enhance your experience with the sticky note technique, I have some invaluable tips to share. Be specific about what you want. The more precise and detailed your intentions, the easier it becomes for the universe to bring them into your life. Use positive language. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, frame your desires in a positive way. Say I am abundant rather than I don't want to be broke anymore. Believe in yourself. Unwavering self-belief is the key to manifesting your desires. Trust in your innate ability to create the life you want. I hope you find immense joy and inspiration in this video. Please comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences. And be sure to explore my other captivating videos for more tips on manifesting your dreams. Thank you for joining me today. Your presence and commitment to your own growth mean the world to me. With boundless gratitude, Philomena.